intense. Picture this, the Amazon rainforest, early morning. The air is thick with the scent of wet earth and the sounds of the jungle waking up. Birds chirp, and the distant call of howler monkeys echoes through the trees. Fog thick as soup hangs in the air, and my Scania truck is stuck deep in the mud. The visibility is almost zero, making every move a calculated risk. The most dangerous road in Brazil decided to swallow me whole. This is the Trans-Amazonian Highway, a road notorious for its treacherous conditions and unpredictable weather. It all started with a small slip, a momentary lapse in traction, and suddenly, the truck was at the mercy of the mud. From inside the cabin, my hands grip the wheel tight. My knuckles turn white as I try to steady the vehicle. The road ahead, a mud pit. It stretches out like a quagmire, ready to trap anything that dares to cross it. Dashboard lights flash warnings. Each alert adds to the growing sense of urgency. Heavy rain pounds the windshield. My heart races. Now, slow motion. Every second feels like an eternity as I try to think of a way out. The truck sinks deeper into the mud. The more I try to move, the deeper it gets. Wheels spinning, traction failing. It's a losing battle against the elements. Mud climbs up to the axles. The truck is almost completely immobilized. My face, tense and sweaty, reflects the dire situation. Every muscle in my body is on edge. No signal, no way out. The isolation is palpable, and the realization hits hard. Quitting? Not an option. I refuse to let this road defeat me. I step out, rain soaking me to the bone. The cold rain is a stark contrast to the heat of the cabin. Desperation fuels my actions. Every move is driven by the need to survive. Wooden planks, floor mats, tree branches, anything to get traction. I scavenge for anything that might help. Dirty hands, slipping boots. The mud is relentless, making every task a struggle. The rain gets heavier. It's as if the sky itself is challenging me. Through the fog, another trucker appears. A beacon of hope in this murky nightmare. Steel chain in hand. The solution to my predicament. Slow motion, soft heroic music. The moment feels almost cinematic. We exchange a look, a handshake. Brothers helping brothers. In this moment, we are united by a common goal. We align the trucks, secure the chain. The engines roar. The sound of power and determination. Chains tighten, mud flies. The struggle is intense, but we are making progress. Slowly, the Scania breaks free from the mud. Victory. The sense of relief is overwhelming. I blast the horn triumphantly, a signal of our hard-won success. I conquered the Trans-Amazonian mud pit. This victory is a testament to perseverance and teamwork. Finally, drone footage of both trucks driving side by side, a symbol of solidarity and triumph over adversity. Every mud pit tells a story. This one is about resilience and the unbreakable spirit of truckers. Fade in text with the Rota Sem Film logo, a reminder of the countless stories waiting to be told. Like, share, and subscribe to Rota Sem Film for more real road stories from Brazil. Join us on this journey through the heart of the Amazon.